Okay guys, so it's been a while since I did a recipe video. This time it's gonna do something special. It's something that we did I think about a year ago or 2 years. If you know what is a monk meatball, monk, for those who don't know, it's mou for beef and onk for pork. So you mix the two meat together, but this time I did with a bacon around it, that's for sure. But this time we're gonna do this recipe half and half with a recipe, a Korean recipe, which is to put a hard-boiled egg in the middle. Still, we do our bacon and a little bit of barbecue sauce on the top. I think it's gonna be great. I hope you're gonna like it. I hope you're gonna try it. And please, guys, if you do, leave me the comment. And as you always know, a recipe is just a suggestion, and then you change it accordingly with your taste. So, hope you enjoy, guys, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care, guys. Ciao.